There are 19 votes in favor of Senator Francis Chis Escudero and 5 votes in favor of Senator Vicente Soto. Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved. We shall now proceed to vote.
Roll call vote. The Honorable Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa. Senator Escudero. Senator Ejercito. Senator Estrada.
Escudero.
Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Hontiveros. Senator Lacson. Senator Lapid. Senator Legarda. Senator Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Escudero.
What is the vote?
Escudero.
Hina.
Escudero.
Ba't mahina?
Senator Padilla. Senator Pangilinan.
And I'd like to explain my vote after the voting.
Senator Soto. Senator Tulfo Erwin. Senator Tulfo Rafi. Senator Villanueva. Senator Villar Camille. Senator Villar Mark. Senator Zubiri. Lapid Escudero, ha?
There are 19 votes in favor of Senator Francis Chis Escudero and 5 votes in favor of Senator Vicente Soto. Senator Francis Chis Escudero is therefore elected President of the Senate. Senator Francis Pangilinan.
Thank you, Mr. President. Congratulations to Senate President Escudero. Maybe